In today's video, let me show you how to change your Amazon password on the mobile application. If you're trying to create a strong password for your Amazon account and want to change it, let me exactly show you on how it is done. All you want to do is head over to the account settings that you'll be able to view on the top of the screen. In order to reach this section, make sure you head over to the profile icon and then tap on the accounts option. From this section, scroll down and then head over to login and security. Inside of login and security, you can see the option which says password. Just tap on the edit option. Now in order to change your password, you'll need to add in your current password, and only then you'll be able to create a new password and then re-enter to confirm it. Once you add in all of this information, you can just tap on save changes, and as easy as that, your password of Amazon now has been successfully changed. Now in case you don't remember your password of Amazon, which is the current password, in this situation you'll need to head over to the login page of Amazon, and then you'll be able to see the option called forgot password, which will then prompt you to reset your password. So using one of these methods, you'll be able to change your Amazon password on the mobile app. If this video was helpful, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next video.